Hello and welcome to Yoga Today. My name is Kline. Today I have Marissa here and she's going to demonstrate the fundamentals of Urdhva Dhanurasana, upward facing bow, highly energizing pose. So Marissa, I'd like you to turn around and put your head to our viewers and practitioners. I'd like you to come down onto your back. And we're going to begin by walking the feet so they're in line with the sitting bones. That's it, not too close, a little bit further away. Spreading the toes, I want you to use your Tadasana feet. So everything is active. Every posture, we use our Tadasana feet and our downward facing dog hands and arms. From here, you're going to lift your arms, lift your hands, and bring your fingers to face your shoulders. Now what happens a lot is, you want to move your ponytail out of the way, but what happens a lot is the elbows splay out like this. And that lifts the thumbs, as you can see. So I want her to press into her hands as much as she can. If the elbows come out at the beginning, that's fine. Then I'll talk you through how to draw the elbows in. From here, you're going to push into your feet, lift your hips, and come to the top of your head. So you're going to crown your head, more at the very, very center of your head, not your forehead, but the center of your head. So again, pressing into your thumbs, please spread your fingers, activate your hands. Then from there, you work on this motion here. Do you see that? Drawing the elbows in towards one another. The shoulder blades come onto her back, and then from here, it's leg strength. You'll straighten your arms and straighten your legs. Beautiful, coming up. Pressing into the feet, dropping your gaze down towards your hands. That's it. So there's this external rotation, opening up the chest, pressing down into the fingers. I hope you're breathing, really spiraling up into the back, pushing hips to the sky. Taking one more full breath here. Coming down is so important. She's going to begin to bend the elbows, tuck her chin, lightly come down to the shoulders, rest a beat, allow the hips to come down, and then you can hug the knees right into your chest. Awesome job. So this is a great little pick-me-up. If you're not quite at the level where you can lift all the way up in upward facing bow, come to the top of your head and really practice drawing those elbows in, utilizing your feet and your legs. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tip. For full-length classes, please visit us at YogaToday.com. Thank you so much, and namaste.